Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. See here, ninth question. N of A value is 5, N of B value is 3. Substitute here 3C0, 3 minus 0 whole power 5 minus 3C1, 3 minus 1 whole power 5 plus 3C2, 3 minus 2 whole power 5 minus 3C3, 3 minus 3 whole power 5. Up to here enough, because here 3 minus 3 means 0. Here is going to 0. So this complete term is going to 0. So remaining no need to write. What is 3C0? That value should be 1. Now remaining is only 3 power 5 minus 3C1, NC1 already I given formula. 3C1 means 3 into 3 minus 1, 2, 2 power 5. 3C2 also 3 only. 3 minus 2 means 1, 1 power 5, 1 only. Now overall observe here. Take 3 common. Next, 3 power 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 81. Minus 2 power 5 means 4, 8, 16, 32. Plus 1. Here observe students, what is the answer? Tell me. 81 minus 32. 80 minus 30, 50. So here we get, I think, 49. 49 plus 1, 50. 3 into 50. How much? 150. Which option correct, students? Fourth option correct. Now, on to function related problem completed. See here, into function. If it is not on to, that is f maps A to B is not on to, then it is called an into function. An into function. If there is no pre-image for at least one element of B in A, then F is into function. Okay, every element in the codomain B has at least one pre-image means that is onto. There is no pre-image means into. One opposite, many one. Onto opposite, into. Okay, I think all of you understood now. Onto function, just you can write like this. F maps A to B, it is not onto, it is called an into function. Next, here working rule. How to do the onto or into? This is the working rule. See how to do that. Just I am explaining. Let F maps A to B is on to. F maps A to B is on to. You can write like this. F maps A to B is on to. That implies let Y belongs to B, Y belongs to B. In B set, Y belongs to B and X belongs to A set. Okay. So here we can write, let every element in the codomain has at least one pre-image. Let for all Y belongs to, here we can write, for all Y belongs to for all y belongs to B, there exist at least x belongs to A such that f of x is equal to y. This is the mathematical definition of onto. Mathematical definition of onto. Okay, and here horizontal test is there. If every straight line parallel to x-axis from points in the codomain intersect the graph of the function at least 1 point, then f is onto. Already we are discussed here. For suppose draw the curve. This is the curve. So draw the line horizontal to x-axis. This is intersect at least 1 point. More than 2 points also possible. So in this case, we can say that f is onto. F is onto. This is graphical test, horizontal line test. If the curve is like this, curve is increasing, then draw the horizontal line. It will intersect at only 1 point. So this is not onto. This is not onto. Okay. I think all of you understood now. Right. So again, we will meet on Monday.